counted down in days for the start of the 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign. And of course, we are faced with the unusual situation where almost all the members of the current Reggae Boyz team live and play their football outside of Jamaica. The head coach himself, for the most part, lives outside of Jamaica. So basically, the national team and the national coach will visit Jamaica for a few days when we have home games. But with a star-studded team by Conquer Cup standards and with basically 6 places up for grabs, we have a good chance of qualifying for the World Cup. But the reconnection needs to be made between the Reggae Boyz and the Jamaican fans, because trust me, some of those teams we will be tussling with for a World Cup qualifying spot: Panama, Honduras, El Salvador, Guatemala. When we play these teams at their home, we will be playing against 12. But when they come to play Jamaica in Jamaica, if we don't find back that connection between the team and the fans, we in Jamaica will be playing with only 11. You get it? 11. 11.